We are Unit 5 trig review number 8. Find y to the nearest hundredths place. So we'll go ahead and label everything. This is our reference angle right here of 18 degrees. So this is going to be the adjacent side. This is going to be the opposite side. And then the hypotenuse isn't given, so I'm not going to label that so it doesn't get in the way. So katoa. And we are given adjacent and opposite. Adjacent and opposite is tangent. Say tangent of 18 degrees is equal to opposite over adjacent. The opposite side is V. The adjacent side is 7. So we'd calculate the tangent of 18 degrees equal to V over 7 times 7 times 7. V is equal to 7 tangent of 18 degrees and 7 tangent 18. 7 tangent 18. 2.274. 2.274 ... hundredths place. Tenths, hundredths, drop the 4. Approximately 2.27. 2.27. All right, next one. Which expression correctly determines ST in this STP? Okay, mark everything. Here's our angle of reference. ST is what they're asking for. ST, I guess that's a T right there. So I'll call that X just so I can label it. They're giving us a hypotenuse, that's the 16. X is the opposite side of it. And SOHCAHTOA. Which of these has opposite and hypotenuse in it? Opposite and hypotenuse. There it is right there. That's our sine of 41 degrees is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite is, I'm calling it X. They're calling it ST. Hypotenuse is 16. So sine of 41 degrees is equal to X over 16 times 16 times 16. X equals 16 sine of 41 degrees. And there we go. Let's see, 16 sine 41. 16 sine 41. Two guy wires are used to help stabilize this pole. If the ground distance between the pole and one of the guide wires is 6 feet, and the angle of the wire to the ground is 63 degrees, how long is each guy wire? Well, it looks like we're assuming that they're exactly the same in this situation. It would be nice if they said that, since they're saying each guy wire, but we'll just find the one that they're asking about. And let's not forget that when they give us a table of approximations, we're supposed to use it right away. All right, so labeling things to our angle of reference. This right here is going to be the adjacent side. This right here is the opposite side. And SOHCAHTOA. All right, adjacent and, it's not opposite. Hypotenuse. Adjacent and hypotenuse. So adjacent and hypotenuse, there we are. Cosine of 63 is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. And adjacent is 6. Hypotenuse is X. I'll go ahead and use my favorite way, reciprocal method. Flip both sides. 1 over cosine of 63 equals x over 6 times 6 times 6. And we get x equals 6 over cosine of 63. 6 over cosine of 63. 6 over cosine of 63. 13.216. 13.216 dot dot dot. And they are rounding to 2 decimal places. So if we do it properly, that would be this spot. We round up because that's 5 or bigger. So I got 13.22. Oh, there, I keep forgetting. They want us to use this approximation. That's fine. 6 over cosine of 63 is 0.45, they're saying. 6 divided by 0.45. $13.33333. And there we are there. Okay, so I'll try to remember. There's the table. Marcus made a sail for his toy boat. If the sail is 5 inches long, the top angle of the sail is 40 degrees. What is the width of the bottom of the sail to the nearest tenths place? Okay. Angle of reference. This is the adjacent. This is the opposite. This is the height. We don't need that. So ka, toa. Which one has opposite and adjacent in it? So we would say tangent of 40 degrees is equal to opposite over adjacent. Opposite is the W that we're looking for. Adjacent is 5. So we would say tangent of 40 degrees is equal to W over 5 times 5 times 5 to both sides. And we get W equals 5 tangent of 40 degrees. And there I was almost going to use the calculator, but I remembered this time. That's right. Okay. So then we'll say W is approximately, because we're sticking in the rounded number, tangent of 40.84. Now I use my calculator. 5 times 0.84. 5 times 0.84. 4.2. There we go. Okay. Go ahead and take another break.